So you have a house with a big attic and you're wondering, can I convert this into a livable space, and how much does that cost? Um, so one important thing you have to keep in mind is to check whether the zoning permits you to utilize that space. If you have a bungalow, like a single story home, and you have a big attic and you do have sufficient space in the attic, most probably most zoning bylaws would allow that. However, if you have a two-story and a large attic and you want to expand into the attic, you have to check the zoning bylaw and the allowed height. So if the allowed height in the zoning standard in your municipality says that a maximum of 2 stories is allowed, or a certain height is allowed, say for example 9.5 meters, for example, or like 12 feet, so then you would have to understand the definition. An easy way to understand that is just to go to your municipality's building department or zoning department and inquire. Just make that inquiry and ask whether you're allowed to do it or not. I highly advise you against doing that kind of work without getting proper permits, because you're putting your insurance policy in jeopardy, and you might not be able to make any claims if a fire happens or if accidents happen. And if you sell the property one day, and you would still be liable for that work that you have conducted without obtaining permits. And if you are not sure, DM me, and be more than happy to help you answer any technical questions. If you have any suggestions for other ideas, please make sure to DM me as well. And I hope this helps.